Okay, so I'm going to start by just naming these A, B, and C so that I can more easily talk about each of these parts. So for part A, it says compute 3 to the third times 3 to the second times 3 to the first times 3 to the 0 power times 3 to the negative 1 times 3 to the negative 2. They all have a base of 3, and they are all being multiplied, which means we add the exponents. So we have 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus negative 1 and negative 2. All right, so adding those up, we have 5, 6. This would be still 6. Down 1 would be 5, and then back 2 would be 3. So 3 to the third, but we're going to actually compute the value. So this is 3 times 3 times 3. That would be 9, and 9 times 3 would be 27. Now for B, all of those have the same base of 5. They're all being multiplied, so we get to add their exponents as well. Okay, one way you can think about this is the negative 10 and the positive 10 add to 0. The negative 8 and positive 8 add to 0. So I have 5 to the 2 plus 0 remaining, which is just 5 squared. And 5 times 5 is 25. In the last part, part C, it says compute for a non-zero number a to the m times a to the n. And so the same process occurs. We just want to add those exponents. That's an L. Okay, so the positive n and the negative n add to 0. The positive m and negative m add to 0. The positive L and the negative L add to 0. So I have a to the 0 power left over. And anything to the 0 power is equal to 1.